In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Mac. So let's get started. Now in this videos, we're gonna go over so many fixes from basic to complex. You can go ahead and follow me do all these fixes and hopefully it works out for you, okay? So first we have obviously restart the Wi-Fi. So click on your Wi-Fi, just go ahead, turn it off, okay? Then wait 5 seconds and turn it back on because this resets the network interface. Okay, now that's the first fix. The second fix is to restart your Mac. So just go here and click on restart, and yeah, once you restart, hopefully it works out. Now if that doesn't work, then you can try resetting your router. Now if other devices also have issues, it's likely the router. So unplug your router for like 10 seconds, then plug it back in and wait 2 minutes. Okay, you could also forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, so for this, go to system settings, then go to Wi-Fi. You can just go ahead, click on details, okay, or just right click and click on forget this network, and then you can rejoin and enter the password, and hopefully that works out. Okay, then you could also try running wireless diagnostics. Okay, so for this, you have to hold the option key on your Mac. So right now I'm holding my option key, and then you'll have to click on this Wi-Fi symbol. Now if I click on it, it's gonna leak my my information like IP address, so I'm not gonna do it, but I'm gonna say out the steps. Now you hold the option button down, click on this Wi-Fi symbol, and then you'll have to choose open wireless diagnostics. Okay, then you'll have to just run the scan and go along with the instructions, and hopefully it tells you an issue and fixes it. Okay, then you could try renewing DHCP lease. Okay, now this is something to do with the internet. For this, you'll have to go to system settings. First of all, go to your network. Now from here, you're gonna click on your Wi-Fi. Obviously from Wi-Fi, you'll have to click on details. Now once you click on details, this is the pop-up you're gonna see. Okay, it's gonna write your internet name. Obviously I've taken the screenshot and I've crossed out my information. Now from here, you're gonna head over to the first thing, which is TCP or IP. From here, you're gonna click on this option, and this mostly fixes the IP address conflict, so hopefully this fixes your issue. Now if this also doesn't fix, then let's go ahead and try the next option. Now you have to stay on this page only, but you'll have to go to the next section, which is DNS. Okay, so right now I am on DNS, and here also I had some personal information which I just blurred out. Now in under this DNS servers, what you'll have to do is you'll have to click on this plus, and you'll have to add this thing. Okay, you'll have to add 8.8.8.8. so just go ahead and add this and click OK, and then you also have to add one more thing, which is 8.8.4.4. okay, add both of these and click on OK, and hopefully that fixes. Now what this does is it changes your DNS to Google DNS. Okay, and sometimes that works pretty well. The next thing that you could try doing is reset network settings. Okay, now Mac OS doesn't have a one button reset, but you can manually reset network configurations. Now to do this, you first have to go to Finder, obviously. Okay, then you'll have to go to Go and go to Folder, and this is what you'll have to type here: /library /preferences /system configurations, and then click on this path, enter. Okay, now this is the thing I have to focus on. Okay, the one on the last right there, this page right here. Now here you'll have to find these 5 files that I'm going to write down. Okay, so I'm going to open my stickies, show all windows. Okay, let me just quit it and open it again. Yep, perfect. Now these are the 5 files that you have to find from that list. So where's the list again? Right there, yeah. Now you'll have to find these 5 files right there and delete them. And don't worry, these are safe to delete, okay? Because they're gonna automatically be made once you restart your Mac. So as you can see, first we have the preferences plist, which is right there. So you can just go ahead and delete it, okay, obviously, and all that stuff. So once you've deleted all these 5 files, what you have to do is you'll have to restart your Mac, then turn your Wi-Fi back on, okay? And make sure that before you delete them, you're obviously turning off your Wi-Fi. And then after, you turn back your Wi-Fi on, and this rebuilds all the network settings once again. And lastly, what you could do is to check for Mac OS updates. Now obviously that's quite simple. Just go there, go in system settings, software updates, and as you can see, I do have an update pending, and I'll have to do that, but I'm so lazy to do it. But yeah, make sure that you have no software update right there. Now if nothing works out, then it's possibly a hardware issue. Now there are some signs of hardware issues. For example, the Wi-Fi icon right there is grayed out with an X, or there's an error message which says no hardware installed, and Wi-Fi disappears. Like you can't see this option at all, okay? Now in this case, you'll have to contact Apple support, and then they can probably install the internet or the Wi-Fi driver once again, yeah? So yeah, we've gone over basically every fix possible, and I hope that one of these fixes worked out for you. And that'll be it for the video, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.